Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to download the iReady badges for your kiddos. So if you ever want to use them in stations, or we would bring them with us to the computer lab whenever they had to take their diagnostics, because they do have little camera webcams so they can scan the badge. Same, you're going to go into the Clever and whatever that name is app. I was still logged in from before, but remember, log in Live Directory. It's your email at live.ccisd.com along with password. So in order to access your badges, you're going to go to Classes. You're going to click on Homeroom, and right over here it's going to say download a set of class badges. They're going to download them. It says it's successfully downloaded. I'm going to click to open it, and it's going to have all of their names listed underneath along with a QR code. So what I would do, I would print these off and I would laminate them, and you can put them in, like, sometimes they started off with like a nice little protector that I would put it in, and so like it was like I guess like a ID badge holder, I guess is the way to say it, and that's what they started off with. But if they ended up losing that, they just would have the laminated little card, and I had like a designated basket they would keep them in. That way they wouldn't get lost, and all they have to do on their iPad is whenever they click the app is to scan this QR code, and then it logs them into iReady. Now, whenever they're in iReady, they have the choice to either select reading or math, so they don't need two separate badges. They just need this one badge to get into iReady, and then whenever they're logged in, they'll either select reading or math.